plant long beans, string beans,
or yard bean, whatever.
yard beans. We're gonna plant on this side. Here's the trellis. It was built a month ago, specifically for the beans and maybe cucumbers. Getting so long. Look at the long beans plant here. That's so sweet.
It's 4 plants in there.
Well, you can put all 4 in there.
We're gonna thin it out later on. We're gonna thin out the best one. We're gonna keep the
That's
best one.
separate right now?
No. Might kill it because the plant kind of weak. I don't know. We don't want to disturb
It's
too
getting
much.
so long.
All we need just 2 bushes anyway.
We have more than that. Last year we had 2 bush, not enough.
Alright. 4 plants, then we keep 2 more.
Stop watering.
Except one didn't grow from here. One go over here. One over here from the seed. Pick up what from next week. $1.99.
Watermelon,
Oh, I think single.
what's this one?
What's that? A smooth kind of
Loafer? No?
Go for the loafer. The smooth loafer. So the Thai what basil, purple basil. It's good to grow. You make eat with fur. What you gonna do for this?
Put in the kapow.
Hot kapow.
Chicken kapow.
It's a lot of useful
Curry.
herb and curry.
Is it curry?
Spicy chicken curry. So the plant given away from your mom from Fresno. Go to that flower already. So we're gonna chop the flower out. So to promote the leaf growth, we eat only leaf. We don't eat flower. We don't eat fruit. Flower out.
Just remove the flower.
That was to come out. Said that we're gonna promote the Scotch soul. They have a lot of earthworm by there. lemon basil.
lemon basil.
It's good for the soup. It's good for reducing stress.
This one is cucumbers. I don't know what kind this is. Eat this one.
Still so much.
This is another cucumber. After my mom gave me.
I'll plant two together. Later on, I'm gonna combine them together. Keep them planting.
A lot of growing in this area.
All permaculture. Grow a whole bunch of plants.
We'll see how much food we'll get and how it will turn out because so many plants are growing here.
Let's see.
Small space. We have small space but we want to grow everything.
Grow everything so we don't have to go to the market. We got everything in here.
Yeah, we want to grow everything.
Okay, we're gonna grow
This one is Thai eggplant.
green Thai eggplant. Okay. Gonna cut it. We'll cut the
And when you have
lower
small
leaf.
space and you want to grow everything, try to find anywhere in the backyard that we can
Yeah, we don't want to waste any
Plant.
space.
waste the space.
I'm gonna connect the line through here, the drip line, so that we fit these two more plants. Well, we want to maximize the space. All this we need to eat it.
Wow. A lot of roots.
Thai eggplant. Can cook them, you can eat raw. You know, water it. Maybe another 60 days, might be had to harvest fruit already. Now I'm gonna hook up. See, after plant, gonna hook the drip line through here. Connect from the old one there.
This one we have a little drip lines. Black drip
So you're gonna get everything.
We'll see how much fruit we're gonna get fruit. Well, I don't know. See how much because we're growing in the same area as this climbing plants here.
We'll get some pepper. Not in full production, but under the sun, you get,
Under the climbing plant, so
get some shade, you get some little bit of sun. What kind of pepper is this?
I think it's the chili pepper. Chili, Thai peppers.
Hot
or
pepper.
connected the drip line.
We put two lines because we planted, there's no plant over there.
Connected to the eggplant that we just planted, right?
Yeah, just put this line over here, an eggplant, another line go to the gym. gonna put right there. See, line had the hose right there. But at the end, just put this plug in so water don't come out at the end of the line. It's a strip line right here, so we're gonna stop right here. Angle to hold it in place. I need a plug. Take it out.
The line to the flat that we just.
Okay, so we need to put this plug so bone dirt won't go in when I try to plug this. Go through here. Go through here. Okay, so I need a connector. The plug. Oh, I don't need it. Oh, I don't need it. So can we use it? This is just a connector. Put two lines together. Too much water. Put the end plug back. And then turn on the valve, should be good to go. That's it. We're gonna bury the line so nobody can step on this line. You turn up.
Turn on the water.
That's it. They water the plant.
So we need to do it like. Just turn on the water.
Okay, let me turn on test the system. See if it works. Turn on the switch over here.
Yeah, this is our switch. This is where I put the system. Turn it on.
Here in the water.
Here the water.
You see right there, water dripping right there.
Yes. We forgot to show how we install the system. The next time we install, we're going to show
See the water come out? Here's the water. That's it.
You don't need to manually water this plants up, so just turn on the system and then that's all. Makes it easier.
You can turn on. Drink too much and just increase it a little bit there.
If we think that the plants are getting enough water, we don't need to water, we just turn off.
Turn a little bit so you can chip a little bit at a time. Go higher, okay, so you can adjust it to make it go down low and dripping so you can turn on. See, plants survive.
That's it. So, give an update on
When it's fruit.